someone I have a YouTube channel, the second question they always ask, or the first, is how much money do you earn off that, or do you even earn any money off YouTube? And we all hear stories of YouTube millionaires, but the reality is that somebody like me who has a small number of subscribers and nowhere near as much watch time as these big YouTube stars do are not earning any money or very little with AdSense. Let me show you exactly what I mean. If we're going to create a studio on my channel, you'll see there that I have 1,900 minutes of videos viewed every 48 hours, and if we go into the analytics section here, you'll be able to see that I earn in a month around $11.43, and that fluctuates. I've actually worked it out. When you calculate my costs in terms of lighting, mics, editing time, research time, filming time, and also the cost of the hardware that I use, the amount that I earn in YouTube is minus thousands. So the reason I use YouTube is not to make money, although I have put AdSense on my account, which means that when you do click on my videos, 1 in 3 of them will show an ad, and if you watch the entire ad, then I will get a small amount. It may be 0.001 pence, and YouTube will get half of that, and I will get half of that. So when it works out to a large number of views and a huge subscriber base in the millions, then it can make sense monetarily, but otherwise for most people it doesn't make sense in terms of the cost. So you'll get an idea of my most popular video. I'm making $4 a month off that, but the other videos, they make a couple of cents or a dollar in the top videos. So it's very small, the amount of people are making. So don't think that most people on YouTube are millionaires. They're not. They're just trying to get themselves out there, trying to help as many people as possible, and they're trying to have as big an impact as possible and use YouTube as a vehicle for that. So thanks for watching. Keep watching my channel, and every quarter or every 6 months I'll produce an income report to show you how much I'm earning on my channel and where I'm spending that money and where it's going to try and help as many people as possible.